Last time, I am doing an art competition. You're all a bunch of talentless perverts who probably have sex with animals.
She doesn't mean that. You're all talented.
I'll never be a good artist. I knew it.
Jackie, what do those people know anyway, huh? They're all probably pedophiles.
Clemens, I literally got last place out of 25 people. I got a participation trophy that says, at least you tried. Someone actually threw tomatoes at my painting.
To be fair, that was a climate change activist who OD'd on dig pills. Okay, the tomato she had was bound to happen to somebody.
This is the 5th time I've had this experience at an art expo, Clemens. I don't know what good art is.
No one knows what good art is. It's subjective. Okay, that's why I keep telling you these art competitions are a scam.
They aren't a scam. That's why I keep entering in. Those judges know what bad art is. And I guess I just can't help but make it.
Jackie.
Hey, yo, what's up, Joe? Where y'all going?
Hey, bro, just heading to our car.
Yeah, that's tight. I don't think you're gonna make it, though.
Oh, why is that?
I need your wallets, cash, cards, phones in my fucking hands, or a bullet in the brain.
Great. Now we're gonna die.
Cash, cards, wallets, phones.
Got 5 there, that's all I've got.
And your social security card, so.
Fuck.
All right. This didn't happen. Get out of here, all right? Wait. What do you got in your hands?
This? This is my painting.
Why does it look like that, though?
Oh,
Oh,
so
gee,
everybody's a critic
thanks.
now?
I don't mean that it's bad. It's just different. I don't know.
Different. Good?
I don't know, man. It's just making me feel like I'm tripping out or something. Give it to me.
Okay, what the hell's going on now?
I'm serious. Give me the goddamn painting.
Why?
Because I fucking said so.
No.
What'd you just say to me?
Jackie, this madman has his gun pointed at my balls. Please give him the painting.
No. I worked on this. I worked on this for months. You can have my phone, my wallet, Clemens' social security card, but it's going to take a lot more than a gun to take a piece of me away.
Fucking artist. You can have everything back. I don't care. Just give me the goddamn painting.
No, I won't.
Please. I'm sorry. Please.
Okay. Okay, you can have it.
All right. You're not going to tell anybody about this, and this didn't happen, okay?
Deal.
Deal.
I feel like I should have multiple bullet wounds right now.
You know, Clemens, maybe you were right.
I think I beat myself, Jackie.
All right, let's get going.
Might have also pooped myself, too.
Damn it, Clemens.